just make me bad.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Anjoy. Here we're all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and girl talks. On today's episode on beauty, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look using my natural hair. And mind you, this is applicable to both virgin hair, relaxed hair, short or long, so you're not left out. Let's get to it. So I want to start from the beginning while my hair is packed. Cutting it. Okay. Manipulating your hair often leads to breakage, so I'm just going to detangle it. Try to give it volume. Yeah, I think we're good for now. And if you're comfortable with brushing your hair and you feel it won't break off, so you can go ahead and brush your hair. You want to pat it here, because this is where the fluffiness of your hair is gonna come from. You can drop it, brush it, I mean. Okay. Going in with a pin. I'm gonna go in with my shea butter. You can use any cream, oil, or whatever you feel your hair needs. And then we'll be going in with heat defense, heat protector to protect your hair from heat. A reasonable amount. Just roll up the one at the back. Take it sections by sections. Going in with my stretcher now. So while you're stretching, you want to tilt your stretcher downwards to achieve the curls we're looking for. But if you want it more defined, I would advise you go for a coiler. I'm looking for a loose coil, so a stretcher would definitely do. Now I'm going in with my hair hold spray to hold the hair in place while I do the other parts. So now I'm going to do the other parts off camera and I'll come back. So the last part is taking out this heat protectant. And then you release your stretcher little by little to keep that curl. And then going with your pin again. Okay, so we're back. Release the curls. And be gentle. Make sure you're gentle. That my stretcher wasn't that hot. I feel I need to get a new one, so you could get something better. Time to take out this. Be gentle, gentle, be gentle. Yep. Yep. This is what we're looking for. We want to give it that reason to be beautiful. And there you have it. So guys, you can see how I went from basic to baddie, or should I say classic. Well, we've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed. Do well to subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a big thumbs up and make sure you share and leave a comment below on what you think about this look. I love you.